So Dogecoin has dropped from 27 cents, is now trading around 26 cents. However, if bulls reclaim control, it is expected that Doge can reach up to the 35 cents mark in the near future. Besides, Doge has reclaimed its spot as the 9th biggest crypto in terms of market cap. In this video, I will talk about why Dogecoin is seeing a drop and what to expect from it in the future. Hello guys, and welcome back to Crypto Fire, where we talk about Dogecoin, cryptocurrency, and investing. Before we move forward, I'd just like to remind you to subscribe to our channel and turn on post notifications. This will make sure that you never miss our time-sensitive updates. Now, let's get started with today's video. So the daily chart shows that Doge is trending sideways in a broad channel between 25 cents and 30 cents. The 200-day moving average at 28 cents provides resistance above the market, whereas support is provided by the 100-day moving average at 26 cents. In my opinion, the path of least resistance is sideways until a catalyst forces the price out of the range. The logical conclusion is that Doge is seeing a correction after it went past the 35 cents mark last week, which I believe is bullish for Doge. Doge is currently trading slightly above 26 cents, and despite a decline to 2%, the overall trend appears rather optimistic. This small consolidation is necessary because Dogecoin's relative strength index has been hovering around 67% for the last week, which is near to overbought condition and might be seen as a sell signal by technical traders. Additionally, while the price retraced little, Doge remained within striking distance of the critical support level of 27 cents. And if Dogecoin closes the next several sessions near its day's high, it will see a bullish movement, implying that higher prices are imminent in the coming days. On the other hand, Shiba Inu has lost 11% of its value following a series of transactions from the whale wallet that notably turned a $3,400 buy into $1.55 billion last August. Recently, the whale sent 4 transactions totaling exactly 40 trillion Shib coins to 4 distinct wallets. Each transaction totaled around $586 million for a grand total of approximately $2.3 billion. Besides, the transactions have sparked fears among the community that the holder is preparing to sell his coins. Because the whale holds such a huge portion of the supply, any liquidation could result in a massive price drop. And as expected, the movements put downward pressure on the price of Shib, which has lost 31.2% from its 7-day high and 10.8% in the last 24 hours. So concerns have been expressed over the last 24 hours concerning Shiba Inu's majority owners. Only 10 individuals own around 71% of Shib coins, and as I said, one of them is reportedly transferring a sizable sum of money over the blockchain. And as Shib's price has been on a downward trajectory for the past few days, it has lost a total of $14.84 billion since October 28, as it has just fallen from $44.57 billion to $29.73 billion. With this loss, Dogecoin has reclaimed its position as the 9th biggest crypto in terms of market cap. And coming to Bitcoin, it had a strongly gloomy session as Bitcoin was down 2.39% to $61,000. And seeing this dip, analysts think that Bitcoin would need to re-enter the $62,000 pivot point in order to test the first big resistance levels at $64,000 and $65,000. However, support from the broader market will be required for Bitcoin to break out of the $63,000 range. Besides, barring a protracted crypto surge, any upside is expected to be capped by the first significant resistance level around $64,000. Analysts also believe that Bitcoin might hit resistance above $68,000 before any reversal in the event of another lengthy climb through the next session. And if the pivot level at $62,000 is not breached, the first major support level at $60,000 will be reintroduced. And as Bitcoin saw a drop, analysts think that the price action was a gift to investors eager to boost their Bitcoin holdings ahead of additional rises. They think that the Bitcoin retest has been successful for 3 consecutive weeks. And while this is an undesirable result, a move to the $50,000 level has long been a possibility, with Bitcoin maintaining its overall positive trajectory as a result. Meanwhile, according to the Wall Street Journal, Google has invested $1 billion in CME Group, which is the first platform to introduce Bitcoin futures. And with the investment came the requirement that CME should migrate its key trading system to the Google Cloud. Experts believe that their collaboration will make it easier for CME to acquire new consumers rapidly, operate more efficiently, and develop new trading tools based on Google technology, including an artificial intelligence-powered software that monitors market risk. On the other hand, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust has been officially recognized by the SEC. As a result, Digital Currency Group, Grayscale's parent business, has begun the process of developing a Bitcoin-linked ETF. As revealed before, Grayscale launched a petition to convert their Bitcoin trust into an ETF that would track Bitcoin's current price. The registration came after the SEC approved Prosher's Bitcoin ETF, which is based on CME futures contracts. And according to analyst Henry Jim, the Grayscale Bitcoin ETF could be approved by December 24, 2021. He said that this would undoubtedly be a very Merry Christmas for the crypto market and industry. And talking about the crypto market, Bloomberg has reported that there is a rapid acceptance of crypto in India, Pakistan, and surrounding countries. According to the report, India and Pakistan have the second largest crypto markets in the world, behind the majority of European countries and the Middle East. It increased by 641% in India and 711% in Pakistan over the last 12 months. Besides, Indian involvement on DeFi platforms accounts for roughly 60% of all activity. Additionally, venture capital investments in the crypto space have surged in India. The report also revealed that Indian crypto investors are a part of huge financial organizations. And despite the fact that Bitcoin and other cryptos have not been regulated in India yet, Indian celebrities are increasingly interested in crypto. Additionally, the report identifies Vietnam as the country with the highest rate of crypto adoption. Besides, according to the Economic Times, Paytm, the first business in India to enable digital payments, may explore offering Bitcoin to its customers if crypto is finally regulated in the country. The CFO of Paytm recently stated that without a governmental restriction in India, Bitcoin is in a regulatory gray area, and Paytm does not accept Bitcoin at the present. However, if it was ever to become fully legal in the country, then clearly there could be offerings Paytm could launch. Meanwhile, India's central bank had effectively banned crypto trading until the courts lifted the prohibitions in March 2020. Since then, the government has considered the adoption of crypto legislation, but the Reserve Bank of India remains highly critical and continues to advocate for its ban. So what are your thoughts on it? Do you think that the Indian government will regulate crypto owing to the rising popularity of crypto in the country? Let me know in the comments section below. And according to a new survey, more Americans are leaving their jobs to explore crypto investments. So the Civic Science Survey surveyed around 6,700 U.S. citizens, and 4% of these reported achieving financial independence as a result of crypto earnings that enabled them to quit their jobs in 2021. Additionally, 7% of respondents stated that they knew someone who had quit their work in the recent year after earning a sizable profit from investing in crypto. The study also discovered that 27% of people who abandoned their employment to pursue crypto profits earned less than $25,000 per year, while 37% earned less than $50,000 per year. Now I think that this data demonstrates that crypto investments have resulted in life-changing income levels for persons living in poverty. In comparison, wealthy investors have utilized it to diversify their portfolios and diversify their revenue streams. On the other hand, Mark Cuban commented on the survey results via his official Twitter account. He stated that it is amazing that 4% of people in the United States have resigned their employment due to crypto gains, yet the great majority earn less than $50,000. He further added that we now understand why so many people leave low-wage employment, and this occurred prior to the recent run-up in the crypto market. And coming back to Doge, analysts think that despite the recent drop in the price of Doge, market makers are likely to prefer a surge above 34 cents in order to capture liquidity. And as a result, we should expect a 25% increase in the price of Dogecoin in the near future. And if Doge sustains a decisive daily close above 34 cents following this run, the odds of this uptrend continuing dramatically enhance. And this is it for today's video. Please subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications for daily videos on Dogecoin and cryptocurrency. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. Goodbye. Take care.